If your anime faces always turn out uneven or out of proportion, you are not alone. Today I am going to show you how to draw a perfect anime face in just a simple step even if you are a complete beginner. Step 1. Start with the foundation, a simple circle. Don't worry about making it perfectly round, just light stroke. Next, draw a vertical line down the middle to keep everything symmetrical and a horizontal line right through the center. These guides will be your roadmap. So step 2 is shaping the jawline. From the side of your circle, bring two lines aligned downward toward the central line to form the chin. For an anime style, keep the chin soft and tapered. Notice how the lower half start looking like a face instantly. Step 3 is where the personality come in the eyes. Add two parallel guidelines across the lower half of the circle. Place the eye wide apart roughly, one eye with distance between them. Draw thick upper lashes, large round pupil, and leave white spot for the reflections. This gives that classic anime sparkle. Step 4 adds character. Anime noses are super simple. Just a tiny dash right where the circle meets the center line. Right below it, draw a gentle curve for happy smile and short diagonal stroke for a cute blush marks on the cheeks. So step 5 is hair. Remember, hair has volume, so draw it slightly outside the initial skull circle. Start with the front bangs dropping down over the forehead. Then sweep the side hair around the cheeks to frame her face nicely. Finally, step 6. Lightly erase your guidelines. Construction makes so only your clean drawing remains. Go over your main lines with a darker stroke. Add subtle shading under the hair, in the eyes, and you are done. And that's how you draw a face in 6 basic steps. Pause the video and give it a try yourself. Let me know in the comments which step was easiest for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy drawing tutorials. Goodbye.